My name is Peter Estes. I'm the owner of Valley CAD. And I started Valley CAD back in 2014. And the reason why I started the company is because a lot of people started approaching me saying, hey Peter, we know you have experience doing engineering work, design work, you know how to do drawings, and we know you know how to use the software for doing it. I have an idea. So a lot of these individuals came to me and said, we don't know where to go with this. We don't want to go to LA. We don't want to go to San Francisco. And through these individuals coming to me and asking me for assistance, I was looking into it and said, you know what? No one here in the Valley is really offering these sort of services. And so with that, I was like, why not do this? And so for me, I started off on the shop floor. I was a machinist and I also worked as an assemblyman. And while I was going to school, I became a mechanical draftsman. And then from there, moved up as a parts engineer, mechanical engineer, technical engineer. And so I took all that experience working for local companies here in the Valley and brought it to Valley CAD. And so here at Valley CAD, we do everything from designing sunglasses to cars and helicopter parts and industrial equipment in between. And so it's a lot of fun being able to come into the office and go, what are we going to work on today? And so I absolutely love that about what Valley CAD has formed and what we get to bring for our clients. And so while I was doing a lot of engineering and drafting work for companies, they also found out how I know the software SolidWorks. And SolidWorks, it's the #1 3D modeling software for engineers and product designers. And so companies will actually call me and say, hey Peter, can you come in and help us out, give us a little consulting, help our engineers know how to utilize these tools in the software? And hey Peter, we brought this new engineer in and we want to make them a little more proficient in the software. Can you come in and help? And so I was having that as a source of services for companies in our area. And I also started realizing as we were helping our clients grow when we develop a product for them and now they're forming their business out of that one product, they bring in their own engineers and they're going, man, what software should we use for this? And so since I was one that helped them get going with the design, people asked me, what software are you using? I said, well, we use SolidWorks. And with that, this last year, we actually brought on SolidWorks as another source of service for our clients and future companies. We are a SolidWorks value-added reseller. We're the only ones located here in the Valley. And what we do is we cover from Sacramento down to Bakersfield and San Luis Obispo County by supplying the software in sales, tech support, and also in training. And so I made Valley CAD that one-stop solution for when the designing gets tough. We're here to help you when you're developing a new product, and then we're also here to help you as you're growing your company, making your engineers more proficient in the software. And so while I've been experiencing all these different clientele and industries, one thing I kept seeing was that a lot of the clients that came to us, they stated, hey, this company said no to us, that the idea would not work. And I've tried very hard to make it to where Valley CAD will say yes.